I knew driving a go-kart through the busiest streets in Tokyo would be exciting, but I wasn't expecting this. 1 second, you're riding together in perfect formation, and the next, a car cuts right between us. The traffic light turns red. I'm forced to stop. The rest of the group, they disappear into the distance. And for a few seconds, I'm completely alone.
I got separated from my sister and the instructor. Should be fun. Let's see what happens.
Driving a tiny go-kart through one of the busiest cities on earth. No guide, no group, just me. Heart pounding and hundreds of cars. Would you panic or would you keep driving? Stick around because I'll show you exactly what happened and whether Mario Karting through Tokyo is actually worth it. After getting changed, everyone receives a detailed safety briefing. Instructors explain some of the key road rules and how the kart actually works. Finally, it's time to climb in the kart, start the engine, and roll out into Tokyo traffic. Before we head out, I wanted to capture this experience from every single angle, so I mounted a brand new camera right in front of the go-kart. It seemed like a great idea until I realized this thing only sits a few centimeters above the road. One decent bump, one loose mount, one wrong turn, and that's it. The camera is gone, along with all the footage. As we pulled away, I honestly had no idea whether I'd ever see it again. In fact, if you watch closely, by the end of this tour, it completely disappeared from the car. Did it fall off somewhere on the streets of Tokyo? Every year, millions of travelers visit Japan. People come for the incredible food, the culture, the history, the temples, and of course, Tokyo. But there is one experience that lets you become part of the city instead of simply looking at it. Driving a go-kart through the streets dressed as your favorite character. It sounds completely ridiculous until you actually do it. And honestly, it ended up being one of the highlights of our trip.
There's a lot of shaking, but this is a really fantastic experience. What to do when you're next in Tokyo. It's not Tokyo Drift. It's a safe experience. Be respectful of all of the pedestrians around you. Enjoy.
Before you jump behind the wheel, there are two things you absolutely must have: your passport and an international driving permit. This isn't something you can organize after arriving in Japan. You need to organize it in your home country before you leave. Without it, you won't be driving anywhere. Once the paperwork is checked, it's time for the fun part. Choosing your costume from classic video game characters, superheroes, and everything in between. Half of the fun is deciding who you're going to become for the next 2 hours. Who would you choose? Let me know in the comments. The first 20 minutes are a little intimidating. You're incredibly low to the ground. Buses feel enormous. Cars seem much closer than they really are. Everything feels fast. But surprisingly, the kart feels stable. The guides are constantly checking on everyone, and before long, you stop thinking about driving and start soaking in the beautiful streets of Tokyo. We booked the 2-hour tour. It takes you through some of Tokyo's most famous streets, passing the legendary Shibuya Crossing, through vibrant neighborhoods, and beneath the iconic Tokyo Tower. It's an incredible way to experience the city from a completely different perspective. Seeing Tokyo from inside a taxi is one thing. Driving through it yourself while thousands of people wave, smile, take photos is something entirely different. Would you rather experience this during the day or after dark when Tokyo lights up with neon? Let me know in the comments. Then it happened. A car slipped between our group. At first, it didn't seem like a big deal, until I realized that I was separated from the group. Then we kept on driving and I kept on enjoying this experience until we came to an intersection where the carts and the instructors went through an almost orangish reddish light. I didn't want to break the rules. I held back. So suddenly I was separated from the groups. Our guide disappeared. The carts disappeared. Suddenly I was sitting alone at a red light in central Tokyo. My first thought, what happens now? Do I wait? Do I keep driving? Or did I just lose the tour? For a few seconds, it genuinely felt like I was on my own. Then the light turned green. I took my chances and went forward. Fortunately, the group were waiting for me and I was able to join the group without feeling left behind. There are many tour operators that offer the karting experience. We chose to go with Shibuya Kart for the proximity of the location from where we were staying and because they had tours that would take you passing the Shibuya Crossing and the iconic Tokyo Tower. Let me tell you an interesting story about Shibuya. And if you're visiting the area, there is one place you absolutely shouldn't miss. The Hachiko statue. An Akita dog named Hachiko walked his owner, Professor Uno, to Shibuya Station every morning, every evening. He returned to welcome him home. Then one day, Professor passed away unexpectedly while at work, but Hachiko didn't know. For almost 9 years, he returned to the station every single day, waiting faithfully for someone who would never come. Today, Hachiko has become one of Japan's greatest symbols of loyalty. And standing there after hearing the story, it's easy to understand why so many visitors stop and pay their respects. We experienced Tokyo during the morning. It was fantastic seeing the city wake up. But many travelers choose evening tours. The neon lights, the illuminated streets, and the atmosphere looks incredible. Which would you choose? I'd recommend checking reviews, available tours before booking because different tours visit different landmarks.
From dusk till dawn, I turn my speakers on. Why they wanna play with the king? I told them meet LeBron. There's darkness in my city, wrong moves, and you won't see the sun. They be talking loud, but never been where the creatures hunt. And bleed for this dream, so why your eyes closed? Been running through the pain. Look at me and now my strides go. Every single scar on my skin, another milestone. Battles in the dark, came out shining with the lights on. Look, but I don't think they listening. I don't think they heard me. I don't think they listening. Nah, I don't think they heard me.
As above, so below. So it goes, so it goes. Try not to disrupt the flow. Be water, let it go. Cause underneath it all, it's empty. You'll have to wait and see for yourself. Cause all this glamour can be tempting.
So, would we recommend it?
It's really cool. I've been driving without any eye coverings. And I don't see a lot of dust coming up my way. So, should be a good one to do. Actually, with the hat on or without the hat on, let me know in the comments.
It took us around 20 minutes to feel completely comfortable driving. After that, it became pure fun. The instructors constantly checked on everyone and even helped us get some fantastic pictures. They took photos throughout the tour, and by the time we returned, we even received a printed photo to take home. What really impressed us, while we were driving out, they took very good care of the rest of our family and kept the children entertained until we returned. That small touch made a huge difference.
Tell them listen up, every single word a load of clip and I don't miss enough. Mirror on the mic so when I rap it's just a different us. Pressure in my pen can turn the diamond back to kitten dust. I told y'all, I'm done playing, I'm going animal. Doing damage, get in my way, you'll be collateral. Blood in every bar, just let the ink fill up the catacombs. Pray for the prey, cause every day is a sabbatical. I don't think they're listening. No, I don't think they heard me. don't think they listening. No, I don't think they heard me.
Welcome back!
If you are traveling to Japan with kids, there is one place you absolutely cannot miss, and that is Tokyo Disney Sea. It's the only one in the world. Click the video on your screen now, and we'll share our best tips to help your family have the perfect day at Disney Sea. We'll see you over there.